Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated from Hadrat Abbas bin Samad that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ saw the lunar, said, Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah la quwwata illa billah, Allahumma inni as'aluka khayri haza ash-shahri wa a'udhu min sharril qadr wa min sharril hashr. It is narrated from Hadrat Ibn Umar that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ saw the moon, he prayed to Allah, Allahumma ahlahu alayna bil amni wal iman was salamati wal islam wa ta'fiqi lima tuhibbu wa tarza rabbuna wa rabbukallah. Hadrat Rafi bin Khadij narrated that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ saw the moon, said, Halalun khayra wa rushda. Then, after that, he ﷺ said, Allahumma as'aluka min khayri haza ash-shahri wa khayril qadr wa a'udhu bika min sharri. Hadrat Anas said that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ saw the moon, he prayed, Halala khayran wa rushda, amantu billazi khalaqaka fa'addalak. Al-Tabrani 311. Hadrat Aisha, mother of believers, narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to pay more attention to the month of Shaban and not for any other month. At last, he found the month of Ramadan and started to have fast. If found hidden lunar, then kept fast 13 number. Ibn Hibban 3444.